already has decisions from the Court of Appeals and the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court deciding on August 22, 2022. No? All decisions by the High Court were in favor of Cristina Gonzalez, and all noted that the death of Joselito Gonzalez is an EJK and must be investigated. To this very day, no investigation has been initiated by any of the bodies who could do investigations. So may High Court decision ka na, yung pwede naman mag-imbestiga, hindi naman kumikilos. Why? No? Bakit ganun? There's even a duplicity in this, no? Because once the Supreme Court announced that, actually, the state submitted that to the ICC, claiming that this is a sign that the victims can get, and the ICC rebuffed, no, this effort by saying, no, that's not even a criminal investigation. And the whole, how dubious this whole thing is that soon after, they filed again another motion for reconsideration. Pinagmalaki sa ICC na ito daw yung ano, tapos mamaya-maya, hindi nakuha yung gusto, may motion for reconsideration na naman, na ifa-file about the protection order. Ano ba dangerous itong si Cristina Gonzalez na talagang aanuhin na huwag magkaroon ng protection order?